Welcome to the top picks. The best Emaxx is probably one of the most iconic and powerful monster trucks to ever hit the RC scene, boasting incredible durability, mind-blowing speed, and the ability to tackle virtually any terrain you can throw at it, making it a legend among enthusiasts and a dream machine for anyone seeking the ultimate off-road RC experience. Number 5. SummitLink Custom Body for E-Maxx 110 Scale RC Car. Introducing a custom-painted body designed for your E-Maxx 110 Scale RC car. This highly detailed shell comes ready for application. This striking design features a muddy orange over black finish, giving your RC truck a unique and aggressive look. It's the perfect way to personalize your ride. We've included high-quality decals for you to apply, allowing for further customization. Make it truly yours by adding these finishing touches. Experience exceptional realism with its highly detailed body and precise cutting lines. This ensures a perfect fit and a stunning appearance on the track. Please note that this auction is for the painted body only. The RC truck itself is not included with this purchase. The body comes already painted and ready for you to apply the decals. Get it ready to mount on your E-Maxx in no time. What we like. This custom body offers a unique look for your RC car. It comes pre-painted with decals for easy application. If you're looking to personalize your rig and stand out from the crowd, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Best to tape the inside of any body, but this one is a lot thicker than most. Great appearance. Comes with lots of stickers and the body itself just looks awesome. This body is made of good plastics and the splatter image is very nice. I'm getting the green one next. Number 4. Traxxas Emaxx Brushless Battery and Dual Charger. Get ready to experience the ultimate power for your Traxxas Emaxx. This package includes a high-capacity LiPo battery and a dual charger. Unleash incredible speed and runtime with the 5000 mAh 3S 11.1V LiPo battery. Its 25C rating ensures consistent power delivery for thrilling performance. Keep your adventures going with the included EasyPeak Plus dual charger. It's designed to efficiently charge both NMH and LiPo batteries with ID technology. Please note that this battery is for USA customers only due to air transport restrictions. Incorrect use can lead to serious issues, so always use a LiPo charger with a balancer. You'll receive the Power Cell LiPo battery, part #2872X, and the EasyPeak Plus dual charger, part number 2972, both new in retail packaging. This product requires assembly. The images may show assembled parts for illustration, but you will receive the components to build it yourself. What we like. This package provides a significant power upgrade for your RC experience. The high-capacity battery ensures longer run times, and the dual charger gets you back in the action faster. If you're seeking extended playtime and convenience, this power system is ideal. What people say. The high current connector is already attached, so charge it and go. It provides tons of power. Number 3. DS32 35 kg Coreless Metal Gear Servo. Experience the immense 35 kg high torque with our Coreless motor servo. It's designed for demanding applications, offering exceptional power and precision. Featuring a robust stainless steel gear set and a durable CNC aluminum middle shell, this servo is built for longevity and reliability in harsh conditions. Enjoy smooth operation with low noise and minimal vibration thanks to its high-performance digital core. Its stability ensures consistent performance. This servo boasts a waterproof design, making it highly adaptable to various environments. Its strong adaptability ensures it performs well wherever you need it. Achieve precise control with its high-precision metal gears and dual ball bearings. It offers a wide control angle of 270 degrees for versatile use in your DIY projects. Perfect for robotic DIY and RC cars, this digital servo provides the high reliability and stability you need for your most ambitious projects. What we like. Experience superior control and durability with this high-torque servo. Its coreless motor and metal gears ensure reliable performance even under demanding conditions. If you need precise steering in a servo that can withstand rigorous use, this is the upgrade you're looking for. What people say. The E-Maxx is a very durable truck and can take a beating. The E-Maxx is a great basher and can handle almost anything you throw at it. The E-Maxx is a very fast truck and can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Number 2. Traxxas 5353X Anodized Wheel Hubs Hex Kit. Enhance your vehicle's performance with these high-quality anodized wheel hubs. They are designed for a secure and reliable fit. Featuring a robust 17mm spline design, these hubs ensure a strong connection to your wheels. This provides better stability and control during intense driving. Crafted from durable, blue anodized aluminum, these components offer both strength and a striking visual upgrade. They are built to withstand the rigors of off-road adventures. This kit includes everything you need, such as the 17mm wheel nuts and screw pins with thread lock. Installation is straightforward, getting you back to the action quickly. Experience a more secure and stable wheel mounting solution. These hubs are engineered for optimal performance and longevity. Trust in Traxxas for premium parts that deliver exceptional performance. These wheel hubs are a testament to their commitment to quality and innovation. What we like. Upgrade your wheel mounting system with these durable 17mm hex hubs. Made from blue anodized aluminum, they offer a secure fit and a stylish look. If you're looking to enhance the stability and aesthetics of your RC car's wheels, these are a great option. What people say. I purchased them to put aftermarket wheels on my Emaxx. They work great. Very light, very strong. It's not an adapter, it's a replacement retrofit. The old wheel nut, plastic hex, and key rod are annexed, straight to your spare parts bin. You take all that stuff off, then put on the threaded part, put in the locking screw stud instead of the key rods on all 4 hubs, then put on the new 17mm hex wheels, then the nuts replace the old itty-bitty nylocks that were on the OG T-Maxx. If you are still a Nitro fan and want a T-Maxx T-Sport to have the newer wheels and tires, these will get you there. Number 1. Traxxas Emaxx Brushless 2075 Servo. Introducing the Traxxas 2075 Brushless Servo, designed for extreme performance. It offers incredible torque and is completely waterproof, ready for any adventure. Experience superior control with a torque of 125.0 Oz in at 6.0 V. This servo ensures your vehicle responds precisely to every command, even under demanding conditions. Its compact size, measuring 55.1 mm x 20.1 mm x 38.1 mm, makes it a versatile fit for various models. The 9-inch wire length provides ample reach for installation. This servo is compatible with E-Maxx, E-Revo, T-Maxx, and Summit models. It's also a great upgrade for the VXL Stampede and OX1. Engineered for durability, this waterproof servo can handle the toughest terrains and weather. It's built to last and keep your RC vehicle running smoothly. What we like. This waterproof servo provides reliable steering in all conditions. With its high torque, it offers strong control for your RC vehicle. If you frequently drive in wet environments or need a robust replacement for your existing servo, this is a solid choice. What people say. The servo is a genuine Traxxas servo and it works great and is a good quality for the price. Worked perfect for my son's Traxxas. I did have to reset the servo as it was backwards on remote, but that was simple. YouTube it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.